Hello. Yes, I look very tired. I've been very early up today. I fucking hate it. But I did it. And now I'm tired. I got a headache. But I want to review the last bar. Just for you, beautiful people. Oh yeah, it's the weirdo girl again. That's me. So, the last one I have is Battle Bites Carrot Cake. I got my hopes up for this one. I hope it's better than the other one, the red velvet one. So, yes, it's called Frosted Carrot Cake. I don't know why I said like that. I had an Irish bloke today as a customer, and I said, "Oh, you're going to Ireland?" And I said to him, "I don't know why I do the accent." And he just laughed. I'm an idiot sometimes. In the early mornings, my brain is not functioning right, but I made him smile. That is my goal for 2021. At least to make one person smile or laugh. With me, not at me. So, let's give this a go. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, weird. On the picture, it shows there's small carrots on it. Please tell me where it is. I don't see it. This is not okay. I had my hopes up for small carrots on this beautiful little bar. I do like the white chocolate though. Okay, looks boring and plain inside. Crossing my fingers for the taste is better than it looks. I got my water, just in case. Oh, by the way, the red velvet, I only ate not even a half of it. The rest of it I gave to a colleague. And I said, "Hey, why don't you give this a go? You're my personal dumpster on these Battle Bites. See if you like them. It's yours." Okay. Has a little bit of a crunch to it. Tastes like carrots. The density is fine, not chewy. Tastes like a carrot. Dry though. Why are they dry? Is that why they make them more chewy? Is because then they aren't that dry. Yeah, but it tastes like shit. Sorry. Like there's these puffs inside to make them crunchy. Well, it is better than the red velvet one. Not a fan of it though. I think I'll give this 3 stars. 3 total stars. Because it's more eatable. It don't give me the gags, you know. I'm sorry, I'm weird like that. So yeah. I can't wait for my caramel pretzels again. That's the only one I'm thinking of. Caramel pretzels. I need it. I like the white chocolate on this one here. Big fan of white chocolate. So yeah, as according to the carrot cake, it actually tastes like carrots and a cake with a little bit of a crunch with the puffs. So if you like that, I'll say give it a go. I'm not gonna have them again. I'm gonna give this to my personal dumpster at work. He's like, "Oh, thank you." Well, gotta leave it to it. This is the last one. Have a very nice day, evening, whatever you have. Okay, bye. Oh God.